Hi guys, so today we're going to do part 3 of the Regents Review series. Let's get started. So 21. The map shows a low pressure system over the eastern United States. Points U and through Z represent locations on the Earth's surface. Which two locations most likely have the warmest air temperature? The correct answer is WX because this is a cold front and the cold front is moving this way towards W and X. Remember, in the cold front, the cold air pushes towards the warm air. So there must be cold air on this side and warm air on this side. This is a warm front, and this warm front is going this way. In a warm front, the warm air pushes towards cold air, so W and X must be pushing towards Y and Z. This must be warm, and this must be cold. So the warmest temperatures are in W and X. 22. The map shows a low-pressure system over the eastern United States. Points U and through Z represent locations on the Earth's surface. The winds at location U are most likely coming from the answer is northwest because the triangles are showing which direction this cold front is going, which is towards the southeast. So the winds must be coming from the northwest in location U. 23. The diagram represents the expansion of the portion of the universe from the origin until the present. The timeline represents billions of years. Letter X represents two celestial objects. Approximately how many billion years ago did the Big Bang occur? The answer is 13.8 billion years ago. If you go on your Regents Review packet on page 20, you'll see that the universe, the beginning of the universe, which is the beginning of everything, which is the Big Bang, happened around 13.8 billion years ago. Next, the two spiral-shaped celestial objects labeled X are galaxies. Remember, this is number one. Galaxies, according to your Regents Review packet, page 20, are spiral in shape. Two pieces of evidence that support the theory that the universe is expanding are the number two, redshift of light from distant stars and the existence of cosmic background radiation. If you go on your Regents Review packet, page 27, Big Bang Theory, the two evidences we have are the redshift of light and microwave background radiation. 26. The diagrams labeled A and B represent two different types of oceanic and atmospheric conditions that occur across the Pacific Ocean in a region close to the equator. Bold arrows represent movement of surface water in the ocean. Thinner arrows represent circulation of air above the equator. In diagram A, which location normally receives less precipitation due to higher atmospheric pressure? The correct answer is 2, the South American coast. And notice that the air is sinking and it's saying it's high pressure. If you go on your Regents Review packet, page 15, high pressure has happy weather or dry weather and sinking air. Low pressure has lousy or wet weather, lots of precipitation, and rising air. That's why it's South American coast. That's where we have high pressure. Air is sinking. The pattern of thinner arrows in the atmosphere in both diagrams indicate the presence of, the answer is 2, convection. Convection is the circulation of air. High density air sinks, low density air rises. 28. Which type of tectonic plate boundary is represented in this cross section? The answer is convergent. Notice that the arrows are coming together. According to your Regents Review packet, page 6, convergent boundaries come together. The plate tectonic plates come together. The geologic feature indicated by letter A is 3, ocean trench. Notice that Regents Review packet, according to that, page 6, convergent boundaries form trenches. 30. What most likely caused a major devastation along the flat coastal areas of Japan as a result of this earthquake? The correct answer is 4, a tsunami. Because if earthquakes happen underwater like this in the Pacific Ocean, and this is the Sea of Japan, they form tsunamis. The water creates lots of waves. And that's it.